Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the different variations of wildcards mask in Fortnite. And there won't be any sketching on this one, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so here is my original drawing of the wildcard skin and with the diamond mask, and I traced 4 more of them, so I'm just gonna draw all the different suits. So the diamond one, of course, is done already. So if you want to see the whole figure drawing and also for the mask drawing part for this wildcard, just check out my original wildcard drawing. So for this one, I'm just gonna draw in the 4 different variations, and let's start out with the heart. So it's gonna be probably the easiest one. So for the heart, once you have this mask here, the best thing to do is just kind of come up from the eye. You can make a little dot there. Okay, and then just come straight down and then make another dot. So you know this is going to be the bottom of the heart, and this one's going to be the center in the middle. So then from here, we just got to draw one curve. Just kind of go up this way and curve into the eye. And then we just got to curve it right in between and just kind of come down. Okay, and then once you have that side, we're just going to draw in the opposite side. So we're going to go up. And this one, just kind of have it go all the way out. We'll just simplify a little bit. And then we're going to come back here. And then we're just gonna draw a line down. Alright, so that one's the easiest one. And let's move on to the spades. So for the spades, approach it the same way. From the bottom here, you can make a little dot. And then come up a little bit higher. Another dot. So this is kind of like the upside down heart. So then we can start right here on the top. We're just gonna come down into the middle. And then once you have that, we just gotta draw one curve. Just kind of come back into the middle to that dot. Alright. And then now we're gonna draw on the other side. So just curve all the way out. And then this part, just curve it again all the way out again. And then there's gonna be a little bit more detail here. So we're just gonna come down 2 lines and just close that. Alright, so very simple for the spades. So now let's draw in the club. The club is a little bit trickier, but not too bad. Okay, so from here, again, let's start with the center right there. And you can actually draw in, let's draw a little triangle first. Kind of looks like a nose, but it's not, okay? And then from here, let's start up here. So just at the corner of the eye right here, we're just gonna draw one curve all the way around. And then just kind of come back into the middle here. Alright, and now for the other side, so again, up here. So once you have that curve done, we're just gonna draw one more curve on the top here. So on the corner here, we're just gonna go up, just kind of curve it and come back down. Okay, so very simple and very cool looking mask, awesome looking character. So that's it for these mask variations. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.